Hi Alex, it's Laurie from Dizio. I'm just going to do a quick demo of how to set up the campaign. So the guys from Afterparty have already set it up in their account. I'll just show you how you do it in your own account, um, and then I'll add the data so that we can produce the reports. So just hit create a campaign, Sky West World. You don't have to add influencer budgets if you don't want to, it's optional. Live date, it's already live. Obviously, this is stuff you can set as you see fit. Um, so then this here's the list of influencers in your database, which is accessed from up here. You've already got Cal Freezy and Callum, so add them both. And then I'll add you as well. So you have to invite your team members as well. So you can see that I'm on the campaign, you're not. Neither's Adam, for example. So hit invite and take me to the campaign. Oh, we've got two Callums. So you can see here I've accidentally added him twice. It hasn't invited him or anything. It just gives us a bit of UI to start adding the posts to. So I can just remove that collaboration and it goes. So if I take a look at the items that Callum's done, for example, this is from the Afterparty report. So if I go and grab this tweet URL, and then the idea is basically you basically just add the URLs of the posts that are part of the campaign. So I'll add that tweet. Skip back. And we may as well add the YouTube video as well. So you can see here that the system's pulled in the tweet and then pulled in the data for it. And this then allows us to add the screenshots to it, which I'll do later. And then add the YouTube video. And it's starting to build up the report for us now. So you can see it's pulled in the YouTube stats. And then if we go to Cal Freezy, let me see if I can find his stuff. Okay, Cal Freezy, there's a couple of tweets here, so I'll add his two tweets. Tweet one, oops, add that, that's a Twitter post. There we go, and this window lets you just check that it's the right thing. Okay, so I'll close the other window. So there we go, that's it. That's the campaign set up, and I've invited you. So you should have got an invitation through the email. I've added the two cards for the two influencers, added the posts, and now I'm going to go and get the screenshots for Callum off Ben Doyle at Afterparty and add them. And then you will get the screenshots for Cal Freezy and add them as well. Maybe I'll do another demo of that. All right then, any questions? Oh, and then once you've got that, this is kind of the collaborations page where you add the assets to the campaign. And then when you go to the dashboard now, you can start seeing the first of the kind of basic reports. So this is just capturing the data and putting it in a table for you. You can download that data with all the URLs and likes and comments, etc. And then if we go to, there isn't too much by way of insights and so on yet because we haven't added the screenshots. So I'll do that now and then get back to you. All right, cheers.